guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching my videos. I really appreciate it. I'm actually on my way to my friend's birthday dinner, and I see my nails, they've been so like bare ever since quarantine. Like I feel naked, okay, without my acrylics. I feel weird. So I was in a beauty supply store the other day, and then I saw these press-on nails, and I'm like, these are so cute. Like you guys can see them, they're so cute. And I'm like, I need to try press-on nails. I've never tried press-on nails ever. I've always gotten my nails done. I'm like, since like 9th grade, I've been getting my nails done. It's been at least a decade since I've been getting my nails done. So it feels so weird, like all the nail salons being closed. Like, oh my God, like guys, I just feel like it's so weird. But I'm gonna try these. These were $11.99. I'm gonna try them. I think it's gonna work out. So yeah, let's go. Let's try them and see how long it's gonna last. Like I hope it lasts the whole week. If it doesn't last the whole week, I'm gonna let you guys know, but I really hope. So yeah, let's put them on and see. This is what it looks like. So cute. It also comes with like extra nails. This is the glue that it comes with. Oh my God, this is what it looks like, guys. These are so pretty, like so pretty. I love them. This is what they're looking like. I know right now it's a little bit crusty because I had like glue everywhere, like I was struggling, but so far so good. They look pretty good for $12, $11.99. These are pretty nice. Like for the price, these are good. So we're gonna see. This was day one after I applied the nails. Oh my God, it was looking so nice, so pretty. I was really impressed about it. But I was trying to like put on my jeans, like wear my jeans, and then it kind of like bent a little bit because the nail is really thin. Just so you guys know, it's really thin and it bent a little bit. And then some of the like the top coat and also some of the stones on my right hand were coming off. Like on the first day, all I did was wash my hands, take a shower, like the basic things, and then these started happening. I wasn't happy with it at all. Like I was like, oh my God, but it was okay. But it wasn't that bad though. I was okay with it. I also proceeded with doing like my daily chores. Like I wash pots. Do you guys wash pots? I love washing pots. Like it's so therapeutic to me. Like I beg my mom to leave pots for me so I can wash them because I feel so good. Like whenever I wash dishes, I don't know. Like, do you guys feel good when you wash dishes? Because some people hate it. I hate doing laundry, but I love washing dishes. I'm weird. I'm going to be a really weird wife in the future. I just know that. But I washed pots. I did everything. Cooked, cleaned, did everything that I usually do just to see like, you know, what these nails are going to like really do. I didn't limit myself because I needed to show you guys a realistic life, you know, what I do on a daily basis because I didn't want to like sugarcoat it for the video. Ain't nobody got time for fakeness, okay? I wanted to show you exactly what I do while I have these nails on. So I literally just try to pick up this laundry and it broke. Like, are you serious? It just broke. Yeah, it broke. So, I'm gonna go and do my laundry and see how everything works out. So I finished doing my laundry and this is what my nails are looking like. Excuse my ashy hands. I just finished cooking as well. My left hand is perfectly fine. No stones like got out. Like it's like perfect. But my right hand, look, this came out, this broke, and this broke. So it definitely did not last for the whole week. I was gonna like extend it and make it go to like 2 weeks, but when it started breaking, I was like, I can't do it. If you just want to go like on a weekend trip, I definitely recommend these nails. Like they work, but for like a whole week of wear, like absolutely not. Like it's not, as you can see, it did not last. It's thin, like it's thin, and like as the week go by, it gets more thinner. And as you can see, like water, it have like water damage. Like the top coat is kind of like coming off as well because of water damage. Like I do real life stuff every day. Like I cook, I clean, I do laundry. Like I'm always working with my hands, and I did not limit myself just because of the video. I continue doing exactly what I do on a regular basis. So far, no. I'll recommend it for like a weekend trip, but not for like a whole week or 2 weeks wear. Absolutely not. It's not going to work out. It's going to break. I definitely cannot go out with these nails because it's July 4th weekend, and yeah, I need to get my life together. So I'm going to take it out with some acetone, and yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys. I'm trying to make a heart sign. Subscribe to my channel. Thumbs up this video if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out. Baby girl, you fine. You fine.